So we are on our way now to the gym. We're going to show you guys a little bit of what our routine has been like since we've been here in Sedona, and we're going through some different changes. So today I got to go to work at 2:30, so we're going to head to the gym. We're going to get a little workout, do some self-care. We're going to shower, and then we're going to be heading to work to Sedona. So we're going to kind of just take you guys along, little clips here and there, just so you can have an idea of what living full-time in your van and just trying to do your daily routines can look like. Okay. Now it's gonna be your turn. A little hydro massage. Alright. What's up, beautiful souls? So I just got up. It's about 7 in the morning. Just did a little hike here in the campsite, and I want to share with you guys this beautiful view. Check this out. So this is the view from the campsite. Campsite's here. We've been camping there for a while. And check this out. We often see hot air balloons here. There's just one here, but there's an area over here where they launch them. So this is one of them. Look at this beautiful view. Wow. It's amazing. So it's been a while since I've shared with you guys, and I feel like sharing once again. It's been a month since we arrived to Arizona, the Sedona area in particular, and a lot has happened. A lot of beautiful changes, necessary changes, and this is part of our evolutionary process, right? When we remain the same, we don't change. When we continue to stay in the same environment, it's hard for people to change. This is why the past 7 years I've chosen a path full of changes, all kinds of changes. So after leaving California a month ago and coming to Arizona, we came with a desire to be able to root ourselves more, to be able to find a place that we can nurture, that we can establish ourselves more, because Gala and I have been traveling for the past years, and both of us, we've been on our own journey for the past 7 years, traveling the world, going deep within, understanding this world, understanding ourselves, our place in this world, reconnecting with Great Spirit, and remembering our life purpose. And it's not easy to live a nomadic life. It's not easy to live a life that is so different from what we are told, right? That is so different from the program. So upon arriving to Arizona, specifically the Sedona area. It's been so powerful. A lot of things have come up, and all of it has been positive because we need to realize things in order for us to make changes. So coming here, I thought the only type of job that I would like to do if I come to Sedona is working at a crystal shop and just being able to chill, right? Having a little part-time job, having some secure income coming in, because being an entrepreneur, being on the road, of course, it's unpredictable and it can be stressful, especially when you're going through a deep transitional process. It's tough, right? It can be tough. So anyways, I ended up getting the job that I wanted here. So it's great because it worked out perfectly fine. I'm working there part-time at 2 different shops right there in Uptown Sedona. And yeah, it's been nice. It's nice to connect with people because I'm not gonna lie, it's been tough to feel connected to people, especially after the pandemic and before that as well, living a nomadic life and really living as a hermit, right? Just being away from people, being tucked in nature a lot for the past years, meeting many people, not really creating bonds with people, right? Just moving. It's hard in a way to feel that connection. So it's nice to be able to have a little job for now, and be able to work on myself again, right? How to talk to people, being around the matrix, right? And integrating myself, but not being part of the matrix, but observing the matrix. So as I showed you in the previous video, that was yesterday, we didn't finish recording everything. After the gym, as you guys saw in that clip, after the gym, we went to Safeway real quick. We got some bagels and some cheese to eat right after, and then I started work. And then after work, I got off, it was already nighttime, went back to the campsite, ate a bit, and then went to sleep. And then I've had the 2 days off, which is one of them today, one of my days off. So that's kind of how it's been with the new routine right now, integrating a part-time job. And I'm not gonna lie, it feels great to have a little part-time job. It's not an intense type of job like the kind of work that I do that is really intense, especially when it comes to trauma work, going deep within and holding space for people that are suffering. It's not a bad job, right? I'm just selling some crystals, showing people some singing bowls, just, chilling. So it's been chill, it's been nice. I'm grateful for all of the challenges. I'm grateful for life in itself, because it can be so easy to fall out of gratitude and to maybe look at the things that we don't have or that we're not doing, or maybe thinking we're not where we want to be. And I want to remind myself, and I want to remind you, to remember to be grateful in this now moment. It's not about the impact that you're even making, right? It's not even about who you're becoming so other people can see you as a role model, or it's not about when you have the money or when you have the land or when you're living your best life. It's about coming back to this now moment. And now I am reprioritizing, because the last 7 years I feel like I was an old energy when I started my journey, when I started to go on my path to becoming my highest version. I feel like back then I was still coming from this distorted program of wanting to be my best version to inspire others. And of course, this is something that is nice, but now I feel like it doesn't fuel me anymore. I feel like I need to repurpose again, and I want to become my greatest version now, so I can look back at my life in every moment and say, if I die right now, I won't reincarnate, because I've lived every moment in gratitude. I want to be a better partner to my wife. I want to be a better person in my everyday moment within myself. And I want to inspire myself. I want to inspire the person that has been with me through it all, which is Galia. I want to be inspiring to her. I just want to live a more serene and peaceful life in my everyday actions, instead of getting carried away with how I want to be in the future, because it's so easy for us humans to get carried away and want to do something so grandiose. And I get it. Many of us have this within us, that we know we have greatness, and I know I have greatness. But I don't want to make it about when I'm there, or when I am this, or when I'm that, or I want to have this huge impact and have this ripple effect. I want to remember that that ripple effect begins right now. How I am in this moment, in my most intimate moments in my daily life with my partner. How I wake up in the morning, am I someone agreeable? When we're facing life challenges, how am I responding? Am I responding in a way that is grounded, that is empowering, or am I panicking? Am I anxious? That is actually my goal now. And I feel like the last 7 years, I was so focused on creating something great for the world, becoming better for the world. And now I want to be better for me, and I want to be better for the person that is with me every single day, which is my wife, Galia. And I want to be a better example. And as I do that, that creates that ripple effect. And that is my goal. That is my focus. Not even a goal. That is my focus now. And I am repurposing, recentering. And as I can do that, right, as if we nurture the root of our tree, all of the leaves will be nourished. But if we water the leaves, then everything else will die. Just like when we want to worship the world, we want to worship things outside of us, the inside dies, right? We need to nurture our connection with ourselves. We have to water the roots of God's love for all of the branches of that divine tree to grow beautifully. And that is what I am doing again. If I felt like I lost myself in a way along the journey, refining myself and repurposing and remembering and re-entering that space and nurturing that every single day. That is my focus now. And let's remember, let's keep it simple, even through the complexities of life. We can be complex beings, but we can also remember to keep it simple. And the more that we learn to enjoy, to slow down, and to repurpose, if we get caught up in the chaos of the world, we will always find ourselves. Great Spirit will call us back. And that is now. It is this now moment.